Could OpenAI's Sora be making its debut this week? I'm your host, AI Michelle, and you're listening to the OpenAI Daily Brief by Podcast AI. Let's find out. OpenAI is reportedly gearing up to release its latest AI model, Sora, and it could be arriving as soon as this week. This exciting development comes from The Information, which suggests that Sora might bring significant advancements in artificial intelligence capabilities. Sora is anticipated to be a game changer, potentially offering new features and improvements over previous models. While details are still under wraps, the buzz around its release is palpable, with experts speculating on how it might surpass current AI models in efficiency and performance. The anticipation surrounding Sora is not just about its technical capabilities. It's also about what this release signifies for OpenAI's position in the AI landscape. By pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, OpenAI is once again setting the stage for future innovations and possibly reshaping the competitive dynamics of the industry. Speaking of OpenAI's influence, the release of Sora could also have implications for how businesses and developers integrate AI into their operations. Companies are eagerly waiting to see if Sora will offer tools that are more adaptable and powerful, making AI integration smoother and more impactful. As we await more news on Sora, it's clear that OpenAI is not slowing down in its pursuit of AI excellence. This potential release is just another step in their ongoing journey to redefine what is possible with artificial intelligence. OpenAI's latest release, OpenAI o1, has sparked a fascinating conversation within the tech world. A technical employee from OpenAI has claimed that the company might have already reached the elusive artificial general intelligence benchmark following o1's release to general availability. This claim comes amidst a broader discussion about the potential and implications of achieving artificial general intelligence. According to Vahid Kazemi, a staff member at OpenAI, while the models haven't yet surpassed human cognitive abilities in every task, they're better at most tasks than humans. This statement aligns with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's previous hints that reaching artificial general intelligence might occur sooner than expected, with surprisingly little societal impact. Altman has suggested that superintelligence is just a few thousand days away, and now with OpenAI o1, it seems the company might be closer to that milestone than anticipated. Kazemi's comments highlight a key point in the artificial general intelligence debate: the distinction between surpassing human capabilities in every task versus excelling in most. He notes that while some critics argue large language models merely follow a recipe, the scientific method itself is a kind of recipe involving observation, hypothesis, and verification. The implications of OpenAI's potential artificial general intelligence achievement are significant, not just for the company, but for the entire tech industry. It prompts questions about how businesses and society will adapt to such advanced AI capabilities and what this means for the future of human-AI collaboration. Meanwhile, OpenAI's strategic moves are under scrutiny, with speculations about their partnership with Microsoft and how it might evolve if artificial general intelligence is truly achieved. This could have far-reaching effects on the company's investment landscape and its future strategies. So, has OpenAI truly hit the artificial general intelligence benchmark? While the debate continues, one thing is certain: OpenAI's advancements are pushing the boundaries of what is possible, stirring both excitement and caution in the tech community. OpenAI is reportedly considering a significant strategic move that could redefine its partnership with Microsoft. Let's delve into the details. The company is thinking about removing a key clause from its agreement with Microsoft, known as the AGI clause. This part of the agreement currently states that Microsoft won't have access to OpenAI's most advanced models once artificial general intelligence is achieved. By potentially removing this clause, OpenAI could be opening the door to more funding from Microsoft, which has already invested over $13 billion in the partnership. The reasoning behind this move is straightforward. OpenAI is seeking additional investments to support its costly and ambitious AI development projects. As the competition heats up, with tech giants like Google and Amazon ramping up their own AI efforts, OpenAI is under pressure to secure more resources to maintain its edge. Removing the AGI clause might incentivize Microsoft to increase its financial backing, as they would gain access to OpenAI's most cutting-edge technology even after the milestone of achieving artificial general intelligence is reached. This could be a game-changer for both companies, providing Microsoft with unparalleled AI capabilities and OpenAI with the funding it desperately needs. This potential change, however, isn't without controversy. Critics argue that such a move could undermine OpenAI's nonprofit charter, which explicitly excludes AGI from commercial and intellectual property agreements. The decision to remove the clause might also raise ethical and safety concerns about the commercialization of AGI technology. Interestingly, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman recently remarked at a New York Times conference that the company's founders were initially unaware of the capital intensity required to run a product company. This acknowledgement suggests that the decision to rethink the partnership structure with Microsoft is driven by practical business needs rather than a simple strategic pivot. As discussions continue, the tech community is watching closely. If OpenAI decides to remove the AGI clause, it could set a precedent for how AI companies balance innovation, investment, and ethical considerations. It's a bold move, but one that clearly indicates OpenAI's commitment to staying at the forefront of AI development. OpenAI is shaking things up to attract more investment. Let's dive into the details of their latest strategic move. OpenAI is reconsidering a crucial clause in its agreement with Microsoft, which could mark a significant shift in its corporate structure. This clause currently limits Microsoft's access to OpenAI's most advanced artificial intelligence models, particularly once artificial general intelligence is achieved. By exploring the removal of this restriction, OpenAI aims to unlock further investment opportunities. The clause in question is designed to protect artificial general intelligence from potential misuse, granting OpenAI's nonprofit board control over such groundbreaking advancements. However, with the potential change, Microsoft could retain full access to OpenAI's future developments, aligning with their substantial financial backing of OpenAI. This potential shift comes as OpenAI continues its restructuring efforts, including its transition to a for-profit benefit corporation. In October, OpenAI closed a $6.6 billion funding round, which valued the company at $157 billion, underscoring its pivotal role in redefining the artificial intelligence landscape. The discussions within OpenAI's board are ongoing, and no final decision has been made yet. If they decide to lift this clause, it could signal a new era of collaboration and investment, further strengthening the ties between OpenAI and Microsoft. This move is part of OpenAI's broader strategy to secure the resources needed to maintain its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. As the artificial intelligence race intensifies, OpenAI is under pressure to keep pace with tech giants like Google and Amazon, who are ramping up their own artificial intelligence efforts. It's a bold step, reflecting OpenAI's commitment to staying at the forefront of artificial intelligence innovation while balancing the need for ethical considerations and investment to fuel its ambitious projects. OpenAI is testing the waters with a new pricing plan for its ChatGPT service, and it's a move that's got everyone talking. Let's dive into what's happening. OpenAI recently announced a $200 per month subscription plan for its ChatGPT service, and it's sparking a lot of debate about the value and accessibility of advanced AI tools. This new plan aims to cater to professional users and businesses who need high-level AI capabilities on a regular basis. The decision to introduce this premium pricing tier is a bold one, as it challenges the current market perception of AI accessibility. OpenAI seems to be betting on the notion that users will see enough value in ChatGPT's advanced features to justify the cost, especially those who rely heavily on AI for their operations. What makes this move particularly interesting is how it tests the limits of AI enthusiasm. With the AI market rapidly expanding, companies are constantly evaluating how much they're willing to invest in cutting-edge technology. OpenAI's pricing strategy could set a precedent for other AI service providers considering similar models. The $200 plan includes enhanced features like faster response times, higher priority access during peak hours, and additional customization options. These benefits could be highly attractive to businesses looking for a competitive edge in their use of AI. However, there's also some skepticism. Critics are questioning whether this pricing model might limit access to only those who can afford it, potentially widening the gap between large enterprises and smaller businesses or individual users who may not be able to justify the cost. As OpenAI rolls out this plan, it's clear that the company is keen on exploring new revenue streams while gauging the market's willingness to pay for premium AI services. It's a strategic move that underscores the growing importance of AI in professional settings. This pricing experiment could very well influence the future direction of AI monetization strategies, prompting other tech companies to reconsider how they price their AI offerings. It's a fascinating development to watch as the AI landscape continues to evolve. AI voice technology is taking a major leap forward, and it's all thanks to a familiar face from OpenAI. Let's dive into the details of this exciting development. Alexis, a former lead researcher at OpenAI, has launched a new startup called Waveform's AI. This San Francisco-based company is focused on revolutionizing how we interact with machines through voice, and it's already making waves with a hefty valuation of $200 million. Waveform's AI has secured $40 million in seed funding from Andreessen Horowitz, a renowned venture firm known for backing innovative tech startups. The company launched just this Monday, and its mission is to create AI that can understand and respond to emotional cues in human speech, making conversations with machines more natural and fluid. Conneau, who was instrumental in developing OpenAI's voice assistant feature, envisions a future where AI can not only process the words we say, but also interpret how we say them. This involves picking up on nuances like hesitation or frustration in our voices and adapting responses accordingly. Imagine an AI assistant that reassures you when you're struggling with a complex math problem, offering support and guidance in a more human-like manner. The potential applications for Waveform's AI's technology are vast, ranging from more sophisticated digital assistants to improved customer service agents. By moving beyond text-based interactions, this startup aims to create truly immersive voice experiences that could redefine our daily interactions with technology. Although Waveforms is still in its early stages with just 5 employees, including co-founder Coralie Lemaitre, the company's vision is clear. They're setting out to tackle the challenge of creating AI that can intuitively understand and respond to human emotions without needing extensive pre-training on every possible nuance of human interaction. It's a bold endeavor, but with Conneau's expertise and a strong backing from investors, Waveform's AI is poised to become a key player in the evolving landscape of AI-driven voice technology. This development not only highlights the growing interest in voice-based AI solutions, but also underscores the potential for AI to enhance our communication with machines in ways we're just beginning to explore. All right, that's a wrap for this episode. If you enjoyed this brief and would like to stay updated on latest episodes, don't forget to click follow in your podcast app. Also, for a full list of all our daily briefs, check out the link in the show notes. Thanks again for listening and hope to catch you next time.